Guys, dito kami sa Chroma and we are gonna buy washing machine. Kasi guys, yung washing machine na gamit namin sa dating bahay is washing machine siya ng aking mother-in-law. So now, we decided to buy our own washing machine.
Suppose if you are going for the marriages or the function, like the blazers course will be very hard. If you put up for a longer time, like 6 to 8 hours, what happens like smelling, bad smell, not sweating smell will just happen. You reduce that, you will not cannot put the complete water dip and scrub the clothes because it will be diluted. To remove all those things, they are given with the allergic care and baby state care. What is the benefit of that? If you put the clothes and select the allergic care, either a baby state care, it takes just a little 30% of water.
30% of urine.
Yeah. Based on the clothes, it not directly goes for the water on the clothes. It first goes for the heater, the steam will be get generated.
The billing
Yeah,
system
we'll just check, double
because
check.
The thing is, if I redeem it and if you don't accept it, then that becomes a problem. I lose the voucher.
We can cross check with the cash also.
Yeah, we just check that one.
So guys, we cannot decide what to buy. Hi Aditi. So what's the difference? What is water softener? Huh.
Okay, first of all, you should understand what is hard water. Hard water is like water which has minerals and salts dissolved in it. Okay? So, seawater is the hardest kind of water there is. It's very, very salty. So, too many minerals and too many salts in it, right? While distilled water, the one that we pour for the radiator of the car, we never have pure distilled water, 100% pure distilled water, but it's at least close to it. So that is the softest water, which has nothing in it, no salt, no minerals. It is like zero, right? So usually for drinking water, we usually drink water of the softness of around 50 to 100 ppm, parts per million, which means that many what do you say, it's also called milligrams per liter. So it's like so many milligrams of salt and minerals are dissolved in that water. Okay. Now the water that we get in our apartment is 260 ppm. 250 to 60 ppm. Right. Now that is not hard water. It is not considered hard water. Hard water is above 500. Right. But 250 ppm. The thing is, over a period of time, we mean several months or years or something, in the pipes that are there inside the washing machine, in those pipes, which is about this, the diameter is like so much, over a period of time, that there'll be a layer of salts getting deposited. It will keep on growing on all the sides. So essentially what will happen is your pipe becomes smaller and smaller because the things are getting, deposited on the sides. Are you following me? No, you're not following me. Exactly. Yeah.
I don't know that kind of things.
So if a pipe is one inch in diameter, for example,
Hi.
If the pipe is 1 inch in diameter, for example, then it is going to give water at a certain pressure, right? If you keep lessening that, if you keep lessening that, you know what will happen? The pressure will increase. The pressure increases, then the other side, which is supposed to receive the water, because it cannot handle the pressure, they'll start becoming weak and eventually they'll break. So essentially what will happen is your washing machine will get screwed because you're using hard water. Understand?
So, to make it short, it's nice to have a softener in washing machine, water softener, so that your washing machine will take longer time to
get spoiled.
Wow.
Anyway, the point is, a water softener is very cheap. You can get a water softener out in the market for about 300 to 400 rupees. IFB?
Yeah, that's the only one that have. That's also the cheapest. That's also the one that have water softener. So in LG or in Bosch, which means to say
that they don't have any other features.
Yeah. In LG and Bosch, he didn't say anything much.
Yeah, he didn't like Bosch.
Something like that. But he is like telling
he was
much
only
more
promoting for LG.
LG have inverter. LG have like this and that and all that stuff. He's saying more. I keep on asking which one is the best in these three. He's not saying any brand, but the way he promoted it, it's like maybe LG is really have something more compared to others, because there's also like download cycle. Example, if it's a old model.
Fancy nonsense. Please download cycle. It seems all these fancy things and all. You will never use them. You will simply put some clothes inside. You'll turn it on and then you're done. Finish. That's all it'll be. So all these fancy things and all. No, not everybody uses it.
Yeah.
So there's no. You'll use it first day, second day. After that, okay, just put it in that mix option and then throw it. Because see, the thing is, if you have to use download cycle and all that crap, you'll have to separately put saris, you'll have to separately put cotton, separately put polyester, separately put innerwear, lingerie, separately. Would you do that? No, you won't.
No.
You'll simply take the whole bunch, put it in there, put the bloody soap, and you won't expect it to be washed in the next 60 minutes, which is the mix option. So the most commonly practically usable option will be the mix option.
Yes.
Exactly. So don't get carried away with all those fancy things. Those are only to increase the price tag. Think practically what you're going to use it on.
Anyways, guys, we are not decided
Yeah.
between Bosch, IFB, and LG.
What about Samsung?
I don't like Samsung.
Wow. You have a phone that is Samsung.
It's only good for phone.
Oh. Only not for phone.
Anyways, also guys, my husband is a credit card user.
Okay.
We have a 10,000 worth of voucher. See, I'm not a fan of credit card because I feel like I don't know how you will become like others. Like, okay, you can pay this for like one phone, you can pay it for 1 year. You will be tempted. So I don't like credit card.
Am I tempted?
He's not like that. He's not tempted. But there's times there he is. Anyways.
Excuse me, when do I splurged without thinking? Tell me.
But anyways, guys, there's a lot of benefits. There's a lot of benefits. A lot of benefits like that. There's also our pressure cooker, our what do you call this, pan,
Coffee maker.
We get it because of the credit card, like free stuff and all that stuff. Because once you buy something, you can pay it.
You get points.
Yeah, you get points. Now we have
33,000 points. 33,000 points is equal to something like 11,000 rupees. 1 point is like 3 points is like 1 rupees, like that.
So
3.3 something like
the Bosch is around 32,000 plus. The LG is around 32,000 plus. The IFB, which is 6 kg, the one I told I say a while ago, the Bosch and LG, they're 7 kgs. So they're like 30,000 plus. But the IFB 6 kg, but only 20,000 plus. So I don't know with my husband which one he likes. For me, I'm okay with anything as long as it will wash.
And that's the same thing with me. I want clean washed clothes. I'm not interested in fancy items. Fancy features. I am also not interested in good looking washing machine. I mean, what, you're gonna keep it in the middle of the dining table to be good looking? It's gonna be lying rotting somewhere in the utility area, which will also be covered with some cover. So how does it matter what color it is or how it looks? As long as it washes properly, as long as it lasts about 30 years, that's all fine.
Then let's buy the LG, the white color. Let's just put cover.
Okay, let's do some
because
research.
The LG, guys, it has everything but white color. Because over time it's gonna be dirty white. We like something like gray.
You want that now?
No need. Yeah, I want that kind of thing.
No need? Yeah, I want that kind.
I want it, but not now because we haven't settled yet. Where are we going, love? We already we already missed our home.
Yes, we missed it. Yeah. We are here.
Wait, what is this?
Supermarket, man.
Oh,
Oh.
what are we gonna do here?
Buy stuff for the week. You don't want?
Okay, we're here already. You don't want?
You want a chicken now?
Yeah, I want chicken, guys. It's been 1 week we're not eating chicken. Veg.
Veg.
I like veg. The problem with veg, I get hungry easily later. Something like that. But if it's like fish, chicken, I don't get hungry easily.
Okay, let's find a chicken
Very
shop around here first.
Okay. See you guys. My hands is paining. I'm holding it.
Yeah, that's because she did not have. Oh wait.
So guys, we get that one. Aditi. Hi guys. So guys, my husband and I already decided to buy the washing machine today. Literally next day. We got the e-voucher worth 10,500. So we're gonna save 10,500 from the washing machine because we're gonna use the e-voucher. And we wanna buy the white one only. Over time, diba, yung white, pumapangit yung kulay. So, but we're just gonna maintain it. We're just gonna put some cover because the difference is like 6K, 6,000. The difference is 6,000 rupees. Ano lang, magkaiba lang sila ng kulay. Tapos yung isa yung horsepower ba yun, yung bilis niya parang 1,200, yung white 1,000. So, onti lang naman yung difference yun. The rest, same na talaga sila lahat. And they're just 3 at home. Aditi. Show, clap. Ay, show. Show, clap. So, ayun guys. Ang difference niya is color lang. At saka yung bilis ng pag-ikot niya, yung isa 1,200 yata something. Tapos yung sa amin, yung napili namin na white is 1,000. Tapos yung price nung nabili namin is 27,900 something. Tapos yung gray color is 32,000 something. Ay, so clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. So guys, look at the feet guys. Toink. Yan siya. Toink. Clap your hands. Marunong na siya guys mag-clap, high five, bye. Tapos tinuturuan ko siya ng flying kiss. So, yan, mga alam niya. Tsaka marunong siya mang-uto. Nang lalambing pa minsan. Sing. Wow, sing. Na. So yun guys. And we're just gonna spend 17,000. When mama say sing, you don't wanna sing. We're just gonna spend 17,000 and then we will have a discount of worth 500 rupees plus Ariel soap, dishwashing soap. Tapos, we're gonna use credit card again, so we're gonna earn points. So, back to back. Bye, guys! So, guys, ayan na yung washing. May libre siyang Ariel. Ayan. Kalaban na kami. 6 kg direct drive inverter. Yun siya, guys. Hi, guys! Hi! Say hi, Aditi! Hi, guys! So, guys, today, nandito yung LG guy. Like what I told you guys, bumili kami ng washing. So, gusto ni Aditi bumili kami ng washing machine and it was delivered 2 days back. And then, after ng delivery, merong from LG na mag-i-install ng washing machine. So, andyan siya nag-install. Kaya, nandito kami ni Aditi sa loob ng kwarto. So, si Arun is yung nagbabantay doon. Tsaka nagtatanong-tanong kung ano yung mga itatanong niya. Yan. So, yung washing machine, ayan yung binili ng asawa ko. Actually, tinipid pa nga namin yan eh. Kasi, diba nga, pagka color gray, ano siya, much expensive ng 5K plus. So, ayan, white yung pinili namin. Bibilihan na lang namin ng cover. Kasi, alam mo naman, sinama ako ng asawa ko, accounting ako. Talagang kuripot, dahil. Ayoko kasi yung nag-spend kami ng unnecessary. Same lang naman effect. Kulay lang yung pinagkaiba niya. Tsaka mababa lang ng unti yung kg. So, yan. Ang gusto ko dyan sa washing machine na yan, meron siyang steam option. Yung steam option niya is yung, di ba ito yung suot ko ngayon, yan, pambahay to, na hindi ko to ginagamit sa labas. So, pagka lumabas ako, mag-leggings ako, mag-t-shirt ako, or mag-Indian clothes ako. So, pag nakaganon ako, diba, isasampay ko na yun agad. Itatabi ko lang yun, guys. Kasi nga, one time ko lang nasuot. So, yung mga damit namin na ginagamit na panglabas, saglit lang, i-steam wash lang yun. Sabi nung nag-ano doon, parang 30% ng water lang daw yung magagamit niya. So, maganda talaga siya. Like yung mga ganyan, di naman pinagpawisan. Bumaba lang ako bumili ng grocery, yung mga ganyan. Tsaka pagbababa kami ni Aditi, yung ilalakad ko siya. So, kahit naman doon sa dati namin bahay, pag lumabas talaga kami, iba yung damit namin sa loob ng bahay, yung mga ganito, yung mga pambahay, iba dun sa ginagamit namin sa labas. So, yun yung isa sa mga gusto ko dyan sa washing na yan. Meron siyang steam option. Para ma-steam lang. Hindi yung talagang full na unlimited 1.5 hours na laba. Ano lang siya, 30 minutes lang yata. Di ko alam kung ilang minutes, pero may steam option siya. So, ayun guys. Ayun na ang aming washing. Finally, makakalaban na rin. So, guys, hope you like our video. It's a simple way of sharing how our life is. And kung ano yung mga, nangyayari. Simpleng bagay na nangyayari sa aming buhay here in India. Especially my life as a Filipina here in India. So, if you guys will marry an Indian, most probably, this is gonna be your life. You're gonna be a housewife. May option naman mag-work, guys, pero mag-wait ka ng 2 years for you to have OCI. Okay lang din kahit wala kang OCI as long as the company will do something like that na para makapag-work ka. So, yun guys. Bye! Hope you like our video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Aditi, come here. Wait. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yay! Say it, Aditi. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you po.